Hi, I'm Barb Sherer, the principal at Sherer Law Offices with locations in Edwardsville, Belleville, and now Waterloo, Illinois. There are two things I usually tell clients or prospective clients, and that's this. The good attorney is the one who can plan for the eventuality that the client is sure will never happen, and I'm the attorney who will tell you what you need to hear, not necessarily what you want to hear. So I'm going to talk today about why you need a will. Well, first of all, it's an eventuality that's going to happen to all of us. And here's where I'm going to tell you what you probably don't want to hear. You're going to die someday. Everybody's going to die someday. And that's why you need a will. Wills are not just for people who have a room full of money or a lot of money in the bank or lots of liquid assets. They're not necessarily even for people who have income producing assets, though I would suggest if you have either of the things I just mentioned, you definitely need a will. Wills are for people to make sure that their assets, their things, are divided up to their heirs after they pass away, and you don't have heirs fighting. So if you need a will, and even if you don't think you need a will, you should be calling us at Sherer Law Offices at 692-6656.